Hi everyone, I'm Paula from Prosperna's marketing team. Our mission is to empower 100,000 SMEs with simple and affordable e-commerce software to help you grow your business. Welcome back to the expert level of the Prosperna Training Certification Series. Previously, we taught you about influencer marketing. For this lesson, we'll discuss using email and SMS marketing to engage customers in your online store. SMS has 98% open rates, while email is better for content and branding. Combining these marketing strategies creates a seamless communication experience between you and your customers because most people are connected to the internet and on their smartphones. Since consumers have varying preferences, giving them different options to choose where to get notified gives them control and improves your brand relationship with them. Here's what you need to do. Number 1. Deciding when to send an email, SMS, or both. The best way to answer this question can depend on how quickly do you want customers to see the message. How critical is the content of the message? So if you're offering a store-wide discount for a week, you may consider sending only email. But if it's going to be a flash sale, you could opt for SMS. There will be cases when sending both is necessary, such as when you have a shipping notification and any store update like new features or terms and conditions. Number 2. Key similarities and differences. The whole point of choosing these channels to market your business because they are far more personalized compared to social media. Messages can be delivered fast and encourages direct two-way engagement that can be tracked to help you understand your market better. While email and SMS are universal channels, acquiring somebody's email address and phone number requires a level of trust and comfort. So, as a brand, you need to make sure that you communicate like a person and use their names when sending messages. Your rule of thumb is to remember that email is good for long-term content that uses more media and formal structure that is kept long-term. On the other hand, SMS is limited to a number of characters and more effective for short-term and immediate interactions. 3. Basic marketing use of both channels. Here are some key points to use email and SMS together to market your online store. Cross-channel campaigns are used to encourage customers to visit your online store. 88% of consumers are more likely to purchase when they receive personalized messages from different channels. You can generate new leads and build your list by sending an SMS with a discount voucher in exchange for their email address and vice versa. While some customers use social media to communicate with brands, there are still those who prefer the professional and formal route of email or instant and direct approach of SMS. You secure your relationship with customers when you provide them with multiple channels to reach you. Measure your metrics by sending SMS and email surveys to boost ROI, improve product quality, customer satisfaction, customer engagement, and time management. To attract potential customers, you need to show them constant value, whereas promoting customer loyalty needs to deliver said value and satisfaction. That's it for this lesson. Here's a refresher to help you remember. Deciding when to send an email, SMS, or both. Key similarities and differences. Basic marketing use of both channels. Next time, we'll talk about marketplace marketing. You can also visit our website for more online resources at www.prosperna.com/resources. See you on our next training course. Happy selling!